Voice over IP, or VoIP, lets you make phone calls over the internet. And since you can make calls with almost any device you can think of, you can ditch your old analog phone system. However, depending on your VoIP provider or setup, you may experience dropouts, lag, or other signs of instability. To understand this, let's look at how IP-enabled phones work. When you speak into an IP-enabled phone, your voice gets converted into packets of data, which we'll represent with sugar packets, that get sent across your network to the person on the other end of the call. An overloaded network can cause packet loss, where some of the information gets dropped. This can result in more noise, delays in receiving audio, or even dropped calls. Latency, which is a delay in delivering packets, means the audio takes longer to reach its destination. At a 100 millisecond delay, the caller's voices overlap each other. With a 300 millisecond delay, the conversation becomes impossible to follow. And finally, if certain packets of information become jumbled, you've got jitter. A jitter delay of more than 50 milliseconds will degrade your conversation quality, resulting in choppy voices or temporary glitches. VoIP traffic is relatively small at just 80 kilobits per second per call, but it must compete with other traffic such as web surfing, video streaming, and emails. Your internet connection must have enough bandwidth or capacity to accommodate the different types of traffic. Here are a few tips. When adding VoIP, reserve 50% more internet bandwidth than you normally use to accommodate spikes in traffic. If you have a single internet connection, consider adding a second connection for failover in case of an outage. Consider adding an SD-WAN edge device to utilize both connections at once for the best quality of service. The quality of your LAN is also critical to VoIP performance. Even if it works fine for best effort data traffic like email and web access, it might not be suited for real-time voice traffic. It may involve optimizing any of 5 key components: firewall, Ethernet switch, Wi-Fi and cable connections, endpoints, and pass-through ports. This might sound like a lot, which is why you need a partner like Broadvoice at your side. Our award-winning customer service comes with 90 free days of dedicated support and check-ins, and our certified installer program ensures that your network is optimized for our reliable services. Reach out to us or your Broadvoice representative for help ensuring that your network is VoIP ready.